A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So here they given the total amount with the merchant is rupees 78,592. So we have to find how much is the 40 radio. Answer: amount she spent for each radio, which is equal to rupees 1,200, they already given. So we have to find amount she spent for 40 radios. So 1 to many means we have to multiply. Amount she spent for 40 radio sets is equal to 40 multiply 1,200, which is equal to 48,000 rupees. The total amount merchant had is equal to 78,592 rupees, they already given. So here we already find the amount she spent for 40 radio sets, that is equal to 48,000. So here they are asking how much money will remain with merchant. So we have to subtract the two amount. So the answer is 30,592. Therefore money will remain with her after the purchase is equal to 30,592 rupees.